Welcome to day 4 of Python Fundamentals. Today we'll explore how Python interacts with users through input and output operations. Let's start with output. The print function displays information to the user. Here's how print works. When we run print hello world, Python displays that text in the console. You can customize the separator between items using the September parameter. Here we'll use a dash instead of space. The end parameter controls what comes after the printed text. By default it's a new line. But we can change it. Now let's learn about input. The input function lets your program receive information from users. The input function displays a prompt and waits for the user to type something. Whatever they type gets stored in a variable. You can get multiple inputs from the user. Here we'll ask for both name and age. Both values are now stored in variables. Notice the age is stored as a string, even though we entered a number. Since input always returns strings, we often need to convert them to other types. Here we'll convert the string input to an integer using the int function. Similarly, we can convert to floating point numbers using the float function. Python offers several ways to format output. Let's look at fstrings. The most modern and convenient method. Fstrings let you embed variables directly in strings. They're prefixed with f and use curly braces for variables. You can also format numbers. Here we'll display pi with just 2 decimal places. Let's summarize what we learned today. The print function displays output, while input gets user input. Remember, input always returns strings, so you may need to convert them. And fstrings provide powerful formatting options. Now you're ready to make Python programs that interact with users.